Hello, this is JD from AWD Wix, and I'm here to do a short tutorial on how to edit text and change images on your website. You just simply log into Wix.com to where your site is at, hover on your site and click the little pencil which takes you into the editor, which you have to wait for it to load. Depending on your internet speed and the time of the day. But here you go. This is when you log in. Now go down to where you might want to change text. Say you might want to put a period on Google, right after Google there. There is a period, but we'll say there ain't. So you just click on the text, look for this box, Edit Text. This box will pop up. You have your themes, fonts, colors, sizes. And if you're going to go change and add something, you make sure the blue is out. Then add a period. And that's how you would edit text, and you go up and save and make sure you publish. And this is all the time, because this is just an editor of your website. So you need to make sure you save and publish. Alright, now make sure when you do this edit text, you click your mouse in there when you're going to edit. Otherwise, if you go to type in there right now, everything disappears. So if that happens, you go up here and find these arrows. There's an undo and a redo. Undo puts it right back. The redo puts it back the way it was. You can go that and like that. So remember those arrows. And over here on the side, say you want to change that picture. You change column background. Click that. Change image. And this will take you to your media library where you can upload all kinds of photos. And say you want to change that picture to this one. And you just go ahead and change background. And the picture changes. So that's it for that. So once again, this is JD from Wix.com. Have a great day. God bless and stay safe.